Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a topic that might seem a little tricky: the subtle differences between prefer, and would rather. They all express preferences, but when do we use each one? Don't worry, by the end of this video you will be a pro at expressing your preferences in English. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's start with the basic. Prefer. This is used to express general preferences, things you like more than others. There are a few ways to use prefer, so let's break them down. First, we can use prefer followed by a gerund, which is the ing form of a verb. This focuses on the action itself. Example 1. I prefer reading books to watching TV. Example 2. She prefers swimming in the ocean to swimming in a pool. Notice how we are talking about the general activity of reading or swimming. You can also use prefer something to something, where something is a noun. Example 1. I prefer coffee to tea. Example 2. He prefers summer to winter. This is a simple way to compare two things you like. Now let's get a little fancier. We can use prefer plus to infinitive over something else. This focuses more on the result of doing something. Example 1. I prefer to travel by train over taking a plane. Example 2. They prefer to eat at home over going to a restaurant. Now let's move on to would prefer. It is used to talk about specific preferences in the present or future. It can also be used to be more polite. You can use would prefer with a noun or a to infinitive. Example 1. I would prefer coffee, please, especially when ordering something. Example 2. She would prefer a quiet evening at home tonight. Example 1. I would prefer to go to the cinema tonight. Example 2. I would prefer to work from home tomorrow. Think of would prefer as a polite way of saying I want or I'd like, but for something specific. And finally we have would rather. This is used for expressing preferences and it's often used for more casual conversations. The key thing to remember about would rather is that it is followed by the base form of the verb, not to infinitive. Example 1. I would rather stay home tonight. Example 2. She would rather eat pizza than salad. Now let's see the grammar point with rather than. Example 1. I would prefer to study French rather than watch TV. Example 2. He would prefer to drink water rather than drink soda. Here the structure is important. After would prefer we add to infinitive, and after rather than we use base verb. Example 1. I would rather go to the beach than go to the mountains. Example 2. He would rather read a book than watch a movie. Here we don't need the to infinitive to say the preference of something. See how we just use the base form of the verbs stay, eat, go and read. It's as simple as that. Alright, let's quickly recap the main differences. Prefer is for general preferences. Would prefer is for specific preferences, often more polite. Would rather is for casual preferences, followed by the base verb. Would prefer plus to infinitive plus rather than plus base verb. Would rather plus base verb plus than plus base verb. Now it's your turn to practice. I'm going to give you a few scenarios and I want you to write down what you would say using prefer, would prefer or would rather. Scenario 1. You generally like cats more than dogs. Scenario 2. You are at a restaurant and you are ordering a drink. Scenario 3. You have a free evening and you have to choose to stay home or go out. Great job, everyone! I hope this video has helped you understand the main differences between prefer, would prefer, and would rather. Now you can confidently express your preferences in any situation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.